The more you age, the more your skin becomes delicate and fragile. As a result, how often you bath as an elderly should be with caution. Other than that, it can predispose you to skin infection and drying of your skin and sometimes skin itchiness. The big question is, how often should an elderly bath or take his or her shower? This is dependent on three factors. The first one is health condition, the second one is mobility, and the third one is environmental or climate changes. There are some people that might give advice that an elderly person should bath this X amount of times in a week, disregarding these three factors. So now let me explain each of these factors for you to get a very broad understanding. The first one is health conditions. There are some elderly people that might have certain conditions like incontinence. Now this can be either urinary incontinence or stool incontinence. This is a particular kind of condition where the person does not feel the urge to either urinate or pass stool. However, he just noticed that he has passed the stool or urinated on him or herself. When someone has this kind of condition, it is advisable to take his or her bath every single day. This is because if this kind of stool or urine keeps long on the person, it can predispose the person to infection and sometimes a bad odor on the person. There are also some people that might have a wound on themselves. And once there is a wound, since that particular kind of wound is being dressed daily, it's advisable that the person to cleanse him or herself or wash him or herself down every single day in order to prevent the likelihood of infection. Now, one thing that you need to have it in mind that you shouldn't soak that particular kind of wound, because once you let a lot of water goes into the wound, the wound too can become infected. So the second factor is what we call mobility. This is being grouped into two. There are some elderly people that are active and independent. They are able to go about their normal duties. Such people can bath 2 or 3 times a week. However, there are also some people that they are bedridden, immobilized. They can't go about their normal duties. Even to wake up, they can't do that. Someone has to assist them with regards to them bathing or aiding them with cleaning themselves. With that one, since sometimes it's very tiring, in order to wash the person or bath the person, the frequency reduces. However, there are certain two things that you can do for such people. The first one is what we call partial bathing, and the second one is sponging. With partial bathing, certain crucial areas in the body are being prioritized, like the armpit, the groin area, the face, and sometimes the legs. So we clean these particular areas of the body, and this is the partial bathing. With the sponging, at some point in time, while the person was on a bed, we will bath the person. The third factor to look at is environmental and some climate changes. There are certain points in time that the climate can change and becomes very, very hot. At that point, you begin to sweat a lot. And once you sweat a lot, it's advisable to wash down that kind of sweat. So with that one, you can bath 3 or 4 times a week as an elderly. However, if you choose to bath every day, since there's a lot of sweat on your body, it's also cool. There are also certain times that the climate becomes very, very cold and you do not sweat a lot. With that one, you can bath probably 2 or 3 times a week as an elderly. So have you seen that giving an advice to an elderly concerning the amount of times he or she should bath in a week isn't just ideal or straightforward? We need to consider these factors before you can give a probable advice with regards to an elderly taking his or her bath every single day or certain amount of times in a particular week. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.